7 o'clock Kenyan time Sunday, President Uhuru Kenyatta and the Kenyan delegation, including governors, departed for Kenya, having concluded his historic state visit to Cuba. The delegation arrival was set for Monday. A 3-day state visit saw the head of state successfully push for cooperation with the Caribbean nation in a wide range of areas with health, a key pillar in his second term taking prominence. The health agreement will see Kenya receive 100 medical specialists to be dispatched to all counties in efforts to address various ailments common in Kenya, with 50 Kenyan doctors set to be dispatched for specialized training in Cuba as well. Kisumu Governor Anyang' Nyong'o was part of the Kenyan delegation, lauding the president for his determination to implement universal healthcare program for Kenyans, saying it was long overdue.
But as a health minister, I came here and we were trying to work things together. And I actually proposed some things that we need to do. For example, malaria vector control, collaborating with the Genetics Engineering and Biotechnology Center and all that. But unfortunately, we didn't get far. What gives me satisfaction this time is that the president is determined that we implement these long-standing proposals of collaboration between us and Cuba. As you know, that Cuba has one of the best health systems in the world. They have best records in terms of human development statistics. They have very good primary health care.
His Marsabit counterpart Mohammed Ali noted that the Cuban deal that will also cover prevention and treatment of various livestock diseases would enhance the lives of many communities.
We'll constantly be in touch with the Ministry of Health, national government, and Office of the President, so that the directive of the President that we take this, what we've learned here, to another level becomes a reality. I will make sure that I'll spearhead as far as my county is concerned, and indeed, as Council of Governors, I'll be able to rally my colleagues.
Co-opted cabinet member Rafael Tuju hailing Cuba as a benchmark for Kenya in strengthened unity in diversity for our citizens' cooperation towards a common vision.
They've also been very good in managing their diversity. They have the blacks, they have the whites, and they have those in between, but they've been able to manage those divides. Now that's something that we as Kenyans should be able to learn from, because racial differences can be deeper than ethnic differences.
The deliberations also saw trade, heritage and agriculture make quick wins, as well as sports where Cuban coaches will come in to train Kenya's boxing team. President Uhuru Kenyatta ended the visit by meeting state ambassadors drawn from Africa, the Pacific and the Caribbean, where he urged for continued cooperation to spur economic growth within the region.
Members of the ACP and indeed the majority need to really look and ask ourselves where that solidarity exists, so long as our Cuban brothers and sisters are left out of those negotiations and discussions. They need to be part and parcel of them, just as much as they are part and parcel of our struggle.
Rose Gakwa for Channel 1 Weekend.